Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're doing an unboxing video, but the box is very large and won't fit on the space here, so doing a little bit different. I've already pre-cut the box, and I'm going to put paid promotion, even though it's not really a paid promotion. I reached out to this company, Farr and Swit, about sending a watch over, and I guess they have a loaner watch that's like a few months out, but they also offer me the option to purchase the watch at a discount, and also they send over some other stuff in this box, I guess. So I don't know if that's a paid promotion or not. I guess it is, so I'll just call it a paid promotion because I bought the watch at a discount, and they put some other stuff in the box too, I guess. So let's get it open here. So they sent me a t-shirt. Let me take it out of this package. It has my shipping information on here. A little personalized note. Anyway, here's the shirt. So I've never received a shirt before from a watch company. Looks very 70s or 80s styling, I guess. So that's pretty neat. Nice little logo there. So that's cool. And so I got some stickers. This one looks like a magnet. Another sticker with the same logo that's on the shirt. See what else is in here. Some kind of pouch case here. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a dry bag or a wet bag or whatever they're called. I guess a dry bag. So very neat. Definitely have the adventure thing going on here. So this has their logo on it as well, upside down, sorry. So yeah, this looks like something you would put stuff in that you don't want to get wet if you're going kayaking or canoeing or something like that. I don't know what's in here. Looks like a strap, some straps. Also, there's a discount code, I guess, so I'll put that in the description, and it's for 15% off, and then I do get some kind of commission off of that too. So I'll put it in the description of this video, and then I'll put it in the description of the full review, but you know, totally up to you if you want to use it. Just keep in mind I do get a commission from that, so yeah. All right, here we go. All kinds of goodies in here. So this is a quartz watch, but it has a sweep that kind of simulates a automatic movement. I believe it's 4 beats per second. I think it's the Seiko Mecha Quartz movement. The Mecha Quartz typically is a chronograph movement, with the sweeping second hand being the chronograph second hand. but somehow that is adapted to being the central seconds hand here. So the price for this watch is $3.99, and if you wanted to buy it, you can use that code I talked about. That would take 15% off. Just some instructions here on how to use the watch. I don't really read these. So one thing with that sweeping second hand is the battery life is less. 2-year battery life, which I guess isn't too bad. So if you want to read the rest of this, you can pause it and read the information here. Here we go. Maybe I moved it too quick. Nice simple packaging. I don't mind that. I'd rather the money go into the watch or straps or other stuff. Sapphire crystal, but it does have aluminum bezel insert. I would appreciate ceramic, but aluminum is nice too. Kind of like the look of brushed aluminum, but a matte ceramic bezel insert could potentially show the same kind of look. Bezel action is kind of light. You can move it with one finger. If you get your finger on the knurling, it's got this bump every other, I don't know what it is, maybe 10 of them or 8 there. So anyway, let's get this off the watch roll. We'll get it on wrist. Already a little bit long for an unboxing video. It does feel quite light, but I think that's because it's on a NATO strap. So let's get this off of here. Really didn't even pay attention to the size of this watch. Oh, this is a stretchy elastic strap like the Marine Nationale parachute strap, but it looks like a NATO strap. It doesn't have that funky little clip clasp thing. Anyway, let's take this off. Just look at the back. It's kind of a tight fit there. Yeah, this kind of a tight fit for a NATO strap watch. I'm used to like the Hamilton khaki mechanical. It's got quite long lugs on it, but then that makes the watch wear larger on wrist. Kind of a sharp engraving on the back here. So Farr and Swit Wayfinder. And not much else on here, but you'll have to take this off every 2 years and replace the battery. Take a little bit of work to get this through here because it was tight to pull it off. It's a little bit thicker of a strap. There we go. Take a look at those other straps, then we'll close out the video. So let's get this on wrist. It's not a signed buckle. It is milled though, milled buckle, milled tang. Then you have your keepers. Oh, it is signed here on that keeper. Right there. So let's get this on my 6.5-inch wrist. Guess I can pull this a little tighter perhaps, since it's an elastic kind of band here. Maybe something like that. So there it is on my 6.5-inch wrist. Sorry about all the stuff in the background. Then we'll zoom out here and take a look at the other straps, and we'll close out the video. So let me know what you think of this watch. Sorry, bezel was off. And actually, we'll do a quick blast to check out the lume on this. Lume is pretty neat on this. So let me turn off some of the lights here. Then we'll see what we see with the UV light. One of these days I'll get some real studio lighting. So yeah, hopefully you can see that with the background there and the loomed aluminum bezel insert. It's got quite a bit of lume. I mean, not much to complain about there. But we'll look at the full lume shot in the full video. Let's check out these straps real quick. I don't know if this is part of the swag or if you get this with the watch. I'll have to look the information up. This is more of a traditional NATO strap. It's not a stretchy strap. I think that's black. I don't know. This is blue. I can see that. This looks like it might be a navy color. Yeah, this one looks like it's black. Yeah, so what? Royal blue. You guys can't see what I'm pointing at. I say royal blue, navy blue, and black. Let me know what you think these colors are. I'm not so good with color. But anyway, that will conclude the video. Sorry, unboxing went a bit long here. As always, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next video. And look forward to the full review of this watch. And I'll put all the specs down for it. All right, talk to you guys soon.